Today is about telling a bigger story, a story of transformation, of intent, of our market leadership. It's a moment that allows us to step forward and say boldly, this is Credit Direct. We're a digital first, capital efficient, and purpose-driven finance company. Today, we unveil Yield by Credit Direct, our end-to-end digital wealth creation platform. And there, your money grows every day. We launched Clara, your intelligent credit, lifestyle, and revenue assistant. We introduce to you today Credit Direct Checkout, Nigeria's first truly digital buy now, pay later platform. We also reveal our all-new Credit Direct mobile app, the all-in-one platform where you can borrow, pay, invest, and grow. Each of these products represent our future, but together they represent our intent to empower users, serve businesses, and shape a new standard for financial services in Nigeria and across Africa. This is Credit Direct.